Hello everyone, welcome to Moldex3D Digital Twin Live 2020. Today I want to share you one special book, Molding Simulation, Theory and Practice. Before starting the book, let's think about an important question. Why injection molding defects occur? There are so many kinds of part defects happen during or after molding. For example, short shot is usually happened at the filling end, and somewhere the plastic is too thin. Plastic melt goes from the cavity to form flash. Burn mark is happened usually at filling end as well. Warpage is happened to result in a non-flat part. Wear line is happened to make a bad appearance or structural weakness. Air trap and stress mark also result in an NG part with bad appearance. We believe all these defects have ever occurred in your cases. But do you know why they are happened and how to solve these problems? Before finding the answers, we have to think from the intention of the injection, which means who is the law and what situation will be encountered during a molding cycle. This is the plastics. What condition plastics experienced will reflect on its process property variation and finally on the part quality. How can we understand what happens to the plastics? A more specific description is to see the states the plastic undergo during the injection. This is the molding cycle of injection. We know the plastics undergo some stages. At the beginning, there are solid states in the hopper and then be heated in the barrel due to the friction between the plastic particles. After absorbing enough heat, they become to melting state and flowable. When the melt reaches the plasticized amount, the screw will forward and push the melt into the cavity. While the melt undergoes increasing pressure rapidly, the melt maintains fluid state and continues fulfill the cavity to form the molded part. Meanwhile, the heat is passed to the mold from plastics, which cool down the melt to become the solid state. Though the plastic undergo a wide range of temperature and pressure, but actually we cannot control its properties very well since there are only 4 parameters that can be set on the machine. That is, temperature, injection speed, packing pressure, and cooling time. The ideal condition is the uniform temperature and the smooth pressure profile on the plastics.